Let's start with the 7th question of exercise 4A of chapter expansions. So this question is exactly similar to the questions which we did earlier, question number 5, question number 6. See, if you haven't seen that my previous video, I have already shared it in the description. You can check out that video also, and then you can continue with this one. So here it's given, if x plus y is 7 by 2 and x into y is 5 by 2, we have to find x minus y and x square minus y square. See, the identities which we have to use are the same. So in last video also I gave you 3 identities at the starting. So once again I will write those identities. First one is a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square, it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third one is a square minus b square, it is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So in previous questions we have used these identities. See, in these type of questions, from these identities, from the given identities only, we have to see which identity we can use and find the required thing. See, here x plus y is given, so that means we can use this one. We can use this one because x into y is also given to us, that is ab. So we'll start. First is x minus y we have to find. So we'll start from x plus y. X plus y whole square we will do. See, in place of a plus b, now x plus y is given to us. So same we have to do, x square plus y square plus 2xy. If I expand x plus y whole square, it is x square plus y square plus 2xy. See, you can compare. I have just written in form of a plus b also, but here my a and b is equals to x and y. So that's why I have written in this form. So x plus y is given to us 7 by 2. So we will substitute here it as 7 by 2 whole square. X square plus y square is not given to us, so as it is we will write plus 2 into xy. X into y is also given to us, so 2 into xy is 5 by 2. 7 by 2 whole square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 is equals to x square plus y square plus 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so we are left with 5. So these we can multiply. 7 into 7 49 and 2 into 2 4. So in multiplication of two fractions, numerator will get multiplied by numerator and denominator will get multiplied by its denominator. So it's x square plus y square plus 5. See, we have to find the value of x square plus y square. So this plus 5 will shift to this side. The term which is getting added this side, on changing the side, on changing its side, it will be changed to subtraction. So I'll write it plus 5, it will be changed to minus 5. So 49 by 4 minus 5 is equals to x square plus y square. So one number is in fraction form, the other is in this form. So I will change the other number also in fraction form. So 49 by 4 minus 5 by 1. So now in order to calculate, in order to do addition or subtraction of two fractions, we have to find LCM. So LCM only in case when denominator is not same. Now we can see denominator is not same. So LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. So after finding LCM, you can just divide the LCM with the denominators and multiply its answer with the numerator. So 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 means 4 by 4, it is 1. So with 1 you have to multiply 49 minus 4 divided by 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 into 1 or 4 into 5, it is 20. X square plus y square. So 49 minus 20 by 4. 49 minus 20 is 9 minus 0, 9, 4 minus 2, 2. 29 by 4. So x square plus y square is equals to 29 by 4. Now in first part we have to find the value of x minus y. See, x minus y means a minus b. This identity we have to use here. So this solved value of x square plus y square we will use in this identity, a minus b whole square, because the required thing is x minus y. So we have to use this identity, which is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So x minus y we have to solve. I will write it as it is. X square plus y square, just now we have calculated, it is 29 by 4. 29 by 4 minus 2 into xy. Xy it is given to us 5 by 2. So I will just substitute the value of xy here. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 29 by 4 minus 5 by 1. X minus y whole square, here I will write as it is. Now here again we have to take LCM, because subtraction of fractions we have to do where our denominators are not same. So LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. LCM will divide with denominators and multiply those answers with the numerator. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 into 29, 29. Minus 4 divided by 1. It is 1 or 4. 4 into 5. For 20. So x minus y whole square is equals to 29 minus 20 by 4. So 29 minus 20, 9 by 4. So x minus y whole square, it is equals to 9 by 4. X minus y whole square, it is equals to 9 by 4. But we only need the value of x minus y. So this square we will shift to other side. When we shift square to other side, it will be changed to square root 9 by 4. So 9 is 3 into 3, 4 is 2 into 2, square root. So 3 into 3 is 3 square, 2 into 2 is 2 square. Square root, so these squares will get cancelled with square root. In previous question also I explained you, because the value of square root is 1 by 2. So that is why square, it will get cancelled with square root. So x minus y, it is equals to plus minus 3 by 2. So why plus minus? Because plus 3 by 2 whole square is also equals to 9 by 4, and minus 3 by 2, if we do its whole square, it will also be equals to minus 9 by 4. This thing also in previous question I have already explained to you. Now x minus y we have found. Second is x square minus y square. So we just have to solve it using these identities. X square minus y square, it is similar to this, a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So I have the value of x plus y, and I also have the value of x minus y, because x minus y just now I have calculated, and x plus y it is already given to us. So we can find this one. Second part, it is x square minus y square. First I will write its expanded form. Expanded form, a plus b, a minus b. Since a and b are x and y, so it will be x plus y into x minus y. X plus y, it's already given to us 7 by 2. So I will write x plus y's value 7 by 2. Bracket, two brackets written together means they are getting multiplied. So sign of multiplication I will write here, x minus y. X minus y, we have only calculated the value, it is 3 by 2 or plus minus 3 by 2. So when we are doing multiplication of two fractions, numerator will get multiplied with the numerator and denominator with denominator. So 7 into 3 is 21, 2 into 2 is 4. So this plus minus as it is we have to write. So x square minus y square is equals to plus minus 21 by 4. Now let's do the next question. In 8th question, it's given to us if a minus b is equals to 0.9 and ab is equals to 0.36, find a plus b and a square minus b square. So same identities. See here you always have to, because other exercises are also there. So make sure whenever their product is given and the terms in square or simple a plus b or a minus b is given to us, so you have to make use of only these identities, a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, then a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So why we have to use only these identities? See, a plus b and a minus b is in these also, and in this identity also it's there. So that is why according to the b, and this ab also, see ab is there in this. So whenever this a plus b, a minus b or ab, all these things are given, we have to make use of these three identities. So don't get confused here. So which identity we have to use? Now this is exactly similar to previous. You can try along with me and then you can refer your answer. A plus b, we have to find a plus b and a minus b is given. So whatever is given to us, from that formula only, from that identity only we have to start. A minus b is given, so we will start from here, a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b is 0.9. So I will substitute the value 0.9. A square is not given, plus b square is also not given. 2 into ab. See, ab is given to us 0.36. Square of 0.9 is 0.9 into 0.9. See, directly if you want you can do it, but make sure, because it's a decimal number, directly don't write it as 8.1, because see, two decimals. In multiplication you just have to multiply first and then the total number of decimals you have to count, decimal places. So here 1 digit after decimal, here also 1 digit after decimal, so total 2. So it will be 0.81. 0.81. So directly you can write, but if you are not sure, then just write this step also and then write it, so that you can count the decimal places and then accordingly you can write. 9 into 9 is 81, write 81, then 1 decimal place, another 1 decimal place, 1 plus 1 2. So after 2 digits you have to put decimal. Now here a square plus b square minus this also 2 into 36, first we will multiply. So 36 into 2 is 72. Now here 2 digits are there in total, because this digit it doesn't have any decimal. So total we have 2 decimals. So 2 decimal means after 2 decimal we will put 0, and we have to count from the right hand side. A square plus b square minus 0.72. So like in the previous questions also, we need a square plus b square. So this 0.72 will shift to this side. So 0.81 minus 72, the term which is getting subtracted this side, on changing the side it will get added, is equals to a square plus b square. So we can add 0.81 plus 0.72. When you are adding the decimal digits, make sure you are writing decimal below the decimal. 1 plus 2 3, 8 plus 7 15, so 1 will get carried. So 1.53. 1.53 I will write. So 1 plus 2 3, 8 plus 7 15 and 1. Yes, it is correct. So a square plus b square, we have got the value as 1.53. Now we need the value of a plus b. So a plus b, that means which formula we have to use? I am sure you can make out now which formula. A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. this we have to find the value. So as it is, we will write a square plus b square. Just now we have calculated that this is equals to 1.53. So as it is, we will substitute a square plus b square as 1.53 plus 2 into ab. AB is also given to us 0.36. So 0.36. A plus b whole square, it is equals to 1.53 plus, so this 2 into 0.36, here also we multiplied 2 into 0.36, it is 0.72, because 2 into 36 is 72 and 2 digits after decimal. So same way from right side we have to count 1, 2 and here we can write the decimal. Now we can add it 1.53 plus 0.72. 5, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 7 12, 1 plus 1 2. So 2.25. 2.25. A plus b whole square is equals to 2.25. So we don't need the value of a plus b whole square, we need the value of a plus b. So this square we can shift it to other side. On changing the side of the square, square will be changed to square root. So 225 in normal, if I say in normal words, not in a decimal, so 15 into 15. 15 into 15 is 225, but it is 2.25. So what we have to do, we need 2 decimals. So one will write here 1.5 and the other one we will write here. Say 1.5 into 1.5, when we multiply, we will get 2.25. So 1.5 whole square I can write it, and this square and this root will get cancelled. So a plus b, it is equals to plus minus, I will write here plus minus 1.5. Like I have already told you, when the value is in the form of square root. So 1.5, if I take plus 1.5, its square is also 2.25. When I take the square of minus 1.5, it will also be plus 2.25. Now this second part we will do here. Second part is very much clear. This third identity, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So direct identity we can apply. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b just now we have found, it's plus minus 1.5. Then a minus b, it's already given to us 0.9. We can do multiplication. See, just I have substituted a plus b 1.5 and a minus b 0.9, it's given. So 15 into 9 we can multiply. Whenever you are multiplying the decimal digits, just take normal numbers. So I took 15 and 9. So 15 into 9, 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 1, so 135. 135, 2 decimal places 1, 2. So after, from right side we have to count 1, 2. So 1.35 plus minus 1.35. Now let's do the next question. In question number 9, it's given, if a plus b is equals to 4 and a minus b is equals to 6, find the value of a square plus b square and ab. So here two things are given to us. First is a minus b and a plus b. See, both of these things or both of the given things, they are suggesting us that we have to use the formulas, both the formulas I can say, a plus b whole square also and a minus b whole square also. So a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, and a minus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So these two identities we have to use because a minus b and a plus b, it's given to us. So let us start with a minus b. A minus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So I will write the value a minus b is equals to 4 whole square a square plus b square minus 2 into ab. See, we don't have the value of a square plus b square and we don't have the value of ab also, because these both the things we have to find. So I will just solve this one. 4 square is 4 into 4 is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. As it is we will write, because we don't know the values. 4 into 4 16 is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So let's name this one as our first point or first equation. Now this one we have used, a plus b is also given to us. So let's make use of this given thing also. So I will do, just now I have done the whole square of a minus b. Now I will do the whole square of a plus b. The expansion of a plus b whole square I have already written. It is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. A plus b, it is given to us 6. So I will substitute the value of a plus b as 6 here. So whole square as it is, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. 6 square, it is 6 into 6. It's equals to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. 6 into 6, 36. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. See, we don't know the values of these. So as it is we can write. This we can write as number 2. Now see, number 1, this one and this one, second number, these two equations, they have similar terms or like terms. See, 16 and 36, they are similar to each other because both of these are natural numbers. A square, b square, minus 2ab, minus 2ab. So all of these are like terms. So what we can do here, we can add 1 and 2. Because see, it's clear from here, if we add these two, first of all, while adding any two equations, left hand side should be added on left hand side and right hand side should be added on right hand side. So why we have to add and how we will get to know that we have to add. See, here this one term is in minus and the other term is in plus. So both of these will get cancelled. So we will be left with only this. So if we add these two equations, we can get the value of a square plus b square. So that is why we have to add, because one term it will get cancelled. So let's do it now. So 16 plus 36. See, left hand side you have to add with the left hand side. Under equals to right, under equal to should be under equal to, and see, all the like terms only we can add. Like means a square and a square, these are same. So we can add this. B square and b square, it is same. 2ab, 2ab. So same terms we can add. See, b square we cannot add in a square. So accordingly we have to do. This is 1a square, this is also 1a square. So whenever we have to add such terms, we can just add the numbers. 1 plus 1, 2. And a square as it is we can write. This is also 1b square, 1b square. 1 plus 1, 2b square as it is we can write. This minus 2ab, see, minus 2, it is plus 2. Only numbers we have to add. Minus 2 plus 2 or 2 minus 2 is 0. So they will get cancelled as they will give us 0. So 0 no need to write. So this much only we will get. So 16 plus 36 will add, it's 52. So 2, here these two terms we cannot add further, but we can solve. See, here it is 2, here also it is 2. So 2 we can take common. or we can write it outside and we'll write a square plus b square inside the bracket. So whenever anything is common, we can take out that common thing. See, if I multiply it again, it will become 2a square plus 2b square, same thing. So the meaning is same, only the way of writing is different. So 2 into a square plus b square. Now see, in our first part we just need the value of a square plus b square. So what we have to do, this a square plus b square will write on this side and this 2 will shift on other side. See, this 2 is getting multiplied, meaning of bracket, since it is written just next to bracket, so that means it's getting multiplied. So the multiplicative term, when we shift it to other side, it will get divided. See, addition on changing the side will be changed to subtraction, subtraction it will be changed to addition, multiplication it will be changed to division, and division will be changed to multiplication. So 2 into 1 and 2 into 26. So we can see a square plus b square is equals to 26. So we have found the value of a square plus b square. Let's find the value of ab now. So AB, it's very simple. See, we have two equations, this one also and this one also. Any one equation we can use, because now we have the value of this also. If I use this one only, our first equation, so let's use that. You can either use first one or second one also, because in both the equations, see, this value now we have got and this we can solve, this already we have. So 16 is equals to a square plus b square. A square plus b square is 26. So here in place of a square plus b square, I will write 26 minus 2ab. See, whatever thing you have to find, that thing you can write on one side and remaining terms you can start shifting on other side. So step by step we have to do. First we will shift 26, then this 2 we will shift. See, 26 it is in plus form, plus 26 minus 2ab. So this plus term or positive term, when we shift it to another side, it will be changed to minus 26. So 16 minus 26 is equals to minus 2ab. See, minus sign is there along with this term, so don't miss out on this sign. Don't ignore any sign, especially if it is a minus sign. 16 minus 26 is minus 10, because plus minus is minus. So 26 minus 16, 26 minus 16 is 10, and the sign which is with the greater number. So the greater number which is here is 26, and along with 26 minus sign is there, is equals to minus 2ab. Now only AB we need, see, but here 2 is also there and this 2 is getting multiplied. So multiplication on changing the side, see, this also we have to shift to other side, because we only need AB. So minus 10 is equals to multiplicative term, when we shift it to other side it will be changed into division. So minus 10 divided by minus 2 is equals to AB. Minus and minus sign will get cancelled. 2 into 1 and 2 into 5. So AB is equals to 5. So here in this question we used both of these identities and then we solved the value of a square plus b square, it is equals to 26, and the value of AB is equals to 5. Now let's do the next question. In 10th question it's given, if a plus 1 by a is 6 and a is not equal to 0, find a minus 1 by a and a square minus 1 by a square. See, whatever is given to us, from that itself we have to see what we can do here in order to find this. See, a plus b is given to us, something two numbers, they are getting added, so that means they are the form of a plus b. So a plus b means we can use this identity, a plus b whole square. See, this actually it is giving us a hint which identity we have to use. Something a plus b is given, so that means we can use the identity of a square plus b square, which is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So this identity we can use. Now here my a is a and b is 1 by a. So accordingly I have to substitute the values in this expansion. So this is given from here itself. I will start a plus 1 by a whole square I will do. A plus b whole square. I have written in this form. Now I will write in this expanded form. So a square as it is plus 1 by a square, which is b, plus 2 into a into b, which is 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a is equals to 6. I will write its value 6 a square plus, see this whole bracket with whole b term we do whole square, see this thing. So it can be written as 1 square also and a square also, because if the bracket is on whole number, then this power it is with numerator also and this is with denominator also. So that's what I have done. 2 into this a and this a will get cancelled. So 2 into 1, 2. So 6 into 6 I can write here because it is 6 whole square. So a square plus 1 by a square, because 1 square is equals to 1 into 1, 1 into 1 is 1. And moreover, if 1 you multiply it like 100 times also, 1 to the power 100, still it will be equal to 1. Plus 2 as it is I will write. Now 6 into 6, 36 is equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. See, we need just the value of this, because this we can use to calculate for further in further calculations, which is this one. So this only we need. So this 2 will shift to other side. So whatever thing we need, that we can keep on one side, and remaining all the things we can shift on other side. We can shift to other side. So 36, this 2 is getting added this side. So on changing the side, it will get subtracted. 32 minus 2. 36 minus 2, sorry. So it is a square plus 1 by a square. 36 minus 2 is 34. So a square plus 1 by a square is 34. So why we needed a square plus 1 by a square? So the reason is that we have to find a, this thing we have to find, a minus 1 by a. And when we have to find this one, we have to use this identity, a minus b. It is a minus b form. So a minus b whole square we have to use, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is a and b is 1 by a. So if I do its expansion of whole square, so it is a square plus 1 by a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So a is a, b is 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a, because I have to find its value. So this expression as it is, I will write a square plus whole square of 1 by a. It is equals to 1 by a square. Here also we have done, and minus this a and a will get cancelled. So minus 2, because 2 into 1 is 2. See, in this formula again we have this a square plus 1 by a square. So from here we can use this value of a square plus 1 by a square, and we will find the value of a minus 1 by a. See, that's why we found the value of this first. So a minus 1 by a whole square is equals to a square plus 1 by a square is equals to 34. So in place of this I will write 34. 34 minus 2. So 34 minus 2 is 32. So I will write here a minus 1 by a whole square is equals to 32. But we only need the value of a minus 1 by a. Here it is square also. So this square we will shift to other side. and square when we shift to other side it becomes square root. So it will become square root of 32. So square root of 32 we can solve now. So we will make the factors of 32. 2 into 16, 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 2 into 2 and 2 into 1. So these are the factors of 32. So I can write root 32 as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 2. So in square root, as you already know, two numbers we can take, and this 2 number will take it out as a 1 number. So this 1 2 we can take out, and this 2 number, this 2 times 2 also again we can take it as 1 2, and we can write it outside the square root. And this 1, because no other 2 is there, so under the root only I have to write it. So 2 into 2 is 4 root 2. So a minus 1 by a is equals to this. Here also a minus 1 by a. Since root is there, so plus minus. Why plus minus? Because square of plus 4 root 2, if you do, it will be equals to 32, and if you do the square of minus 4 root 2, again it will be equal to 32. Because when we do multiplication, 2 minus signs will get cancelled with each other. So the square of negative terms will also be positive. So both of these numbers, they will have value equals to 32. That is why a minus 1 by a is equals to plus minus 4 root 2. Now the second thing which we have to find is a square minus 1 by a square. See, now if you remember, one third identity also we have done. 3 identities in total I told you at the starting. So this one is a square minus b square, and as you can see also our a is a only. So a square minus b is 1 by a. So this is in this form only, a square minus b square. So this is equal to a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So this I can write a square minus 1 by a square, a minus b. A minus b, b is 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a into a plus 1 by a. A minus b into a plus b. A minus b, just now we have calculated a minus 1 by a, it is plus minus 4 root 2. So I will just substitute the value here into, see the brackets, when 2 brackets are written together, that means they are getting multiplied. A plus 1 by a plus 1 by a, it's already given to us as 6. So numbers we can multiply, 4 into 6 plus minus as it is we have to write, 4 into 6, 24, root 2 as it is we have to write. So the value of a square minus 1 by a square is equals to plus minus 24 root 2. Now let's do the next question. In 11th question, it's given if a minus 1 by a, it is 8, find a plus 1 by 8 and a square minus 1 by a square. See, this question is similar to the previous one. In previous question, it was given to us a plus 1 by a and we had to find a minus 1 by a. Now it's opposite, but the thing is same thing we have to do. If a minus 1 by a is given, so that means the form which is given to us is a minus b. So a minus b means we have to do whole square of a minus b. So this identity we have to use here, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. A is a here and b is 1 by a. Same thing, see, a is a and minus b, b is 1 by a. So let's start by using this expansion, a minus 1 by a whole square we have to do. This a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. So a minus 1 by 8 is given 8, we will substitute the value here. So 8 square is equals to a square plus 1 by a square, because this whole power square, which means with 1 also square is there and with 2 with a also square is there. So 1 square is 1, I have written it as 1, and a square I have written as it is. This a and this a will get cancelled, so minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 8 square is 8 into 8. See why I am writing this step, because sometimes what students do, they will just multiply 8 with 2. So we don't have to do this thing. See, power means this number, this one which is base. This number we have to multiply that many times with itself. 2 is the power, so 2 times we have to multiply. So that is why I am writing this step. 8 into 8 we have to do, not 8 into 2. So 8 into 8, a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. 8 into 8 is 64 is equals to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. We need only this much, because we will use this while finding the value of a plus 1 by a, like we did in the previous question. So that is why only this we will keep on this side and this minus 2 will shift to other side. So 64, this minus 2 when I write on this side, so it will be plus 2, because minus 2 on changing the side it will be changed to plus 2. And you can also remember that this minus 2 is getting subtracted from this. If on this side it is getting subtracted, on changing the side we have to add it. So 64 plus 2 is equals to a square plus 1 by a square. 64 plus 2, 64 plus 2, 6. So a square plus 1 by a square is equals to 66. But we have to find a plus 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a we have to find. So from where we have to start? Now a plus b is given. So we will just use this identity now. A plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is a and b is 1 by a. I will use a plus 1 by a whole square. It's equals to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. This a and this a will get cancelled. So a plus 1 by a square as it is I will write. Now a square plus 1 by a square. A square plus 1 by a square, its value is 66. So in place of this I will write 66 plus 2, because 2 into 1 is 2. So a square, a plus 1 by a whole square, it's equal to 66 plus 2, 68. But we only need the value of a plus 1 by a, but here square is also there. So if square is there, the square we will shift to other side, and on changing the side, square will be changed to square root. So 68, let's find the value of square root of 68, same way like we found the value of root 32 in the previous question. So I will take the factors. So 2, 34, 2, 17 and 17, since it's a prime number, so 17 into 1 is 17. So I can write it as 1 plus 1 by a plus 1 by a is equals to 2 into 2 into 17. 2 into 2 into 17. Now in square root, two numbers we can take, two same numbers. See here 2 and 2, they are same numbers. So 2 numbers, we can take these 2 numbers as one number and write it outside the root. So 2 root 17, because 17 is only one time. So we have to write it under the root, and the value, since we are finding square root, so when we do the square of plus 2 root 17, it is equals to root. it's equals to 68, and when we do the square of minus 2 root 17, it is also equals to 68. So therefore, whenever we write the value of square root, it will be in the form of plus minus. So plus minus 2 root 17, a plus 1 by a. Now we have to find the value of a square minus 1 by a square. So same identity in previous question also we have used. Which identity? I am sure you know. So try to do this question along with me. So the identity is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. A I will write is a square, b square is 1 by a. So 1 by a square, a plus b. A plus b just now we have calculated, which is a plus 1 by a, and a minus b is a minus 1 by a, because our a is a and b is 1 by a. So a square minus 1 by a square, it is equals to a plus 1 by a. Just now we have calculated, it is plus minus 2 root 17 into, see these two brackets are getting multiplied, into a minus 1 by a minus 1 by 8 is given to us 8. So 2 into 8 we can multiply, plus minus as it is we have to write, 2 into 8 16 root 17 as it is we have to write. So a square plus 1 by a square is equals to plus minus 16 into root 17. So next, with this we have completed questions till 11th of exercise 4a. The remaining questions from 12 to 16 I will do in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in my next one.